The official trailer for season 19 premiered on Thursday, September 18th. Exclusively on the Heartland YouTube channel, this marks the first look at what's ahead for Amy, the ranch, and the families we love. From what we see in the trailer, here are some recurring themes and possible story arcs to watch for in season 19-1. New beginnings and relationships. The trailer hints Amy may be moving forward in her life, possibly deepening romantic arcs or resolving past heartbreaks. 2. Family and legacy pressures. The ranch's future, land issues, or financial threats often come to the forefront in Heartland seasons. 3. Conflict from outside forces. A new antagonist or rival may be introduced to challenge the Bartlett-Fleming family. 4. Emotional stakes/character growth. Expect characters to face loss, change, and tough decisions, and possibly some reunions or reckonings. What has been confirmed and what's still unknown? Here you collect factual bits from announcements and what remains speculative. Season 19 has been officially renewed and is in production. Speculations and fan theories. In this part, you lean more into fan engagement and theories. Use the trailer as evidence to back your guesses. Now let's dive into some fan theories based on what we saw. Amy and Nathan's future. Could the trailer's emotional beats hint they may move forward together? Maybe even marriage or partnership? A hidden rival. A shadowy figure appears in one shot. Could be a business competitor or someone from Nathan's past. Ranch threat, crisis. The land, weather, or financial pressures might force a crisis. Think drought, expansion, land dispute. Character arcs revisited. Perhaps older characters, Tim, Jack, will have their own challenges this season, supporting the younger generation. That's it for our Heartland Season 19 trailer launch and breakdown. If you enjoyed this, please hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss future breakdowns, episode reactions, or spoilery deep dives. Also, turn on notifications because when the full Season 19 premiere date is announced, we'll cover it right away. Thanks for watching. See you in the Heartland.